Hi guys, this is Roshni here from OMRON Automation and Robotics here in Auckland, New Zealand. I'm one of the sales engineers here based in Auckland, and I've had the privilege to work for OMRON New Zealand for the last 10 years. And here today I'm at AUT, where I had the privilege of studying Bachelor of Engineering Technology, majoring in electrical 10 years ago. And it's great to be back where it all started. And today we kickstart our OMRON 2026 Roadshow, and I'm here to invite you all for a quick journey with myself and our application engineer Arlo who's going to take you through a quick overview of what to expect this year at our Roadshow. Follow me. Hi, today we're here with Arlo, our application engineer. And I've promised our viewers today, Arlo, that you are going to go through a few demos on what they can expect at this year's Roadshow. So please take it over.
Thank you, Roshni. All right, so this is our FHP7 AI-enabled camera. In this demo, we're just looking at whether or not the capsules are present. So in this case, you can see on the screen here that all of the capsules are present, and we've got an OK product. And if we just swap that around here, you can see that in this case, they're not all present and we've got failed detection.
That's awesome. Thank you so much, Arlo. So join us. You can have a little play yourself. We'll move on to the next demo. Thanks, Arlo, for the last demonstration. I was wondering if you would be kind to show us our next demonstration so our viewers know what to expect next.
Thank you, Roshni. So here we've got the VHP5. This is our high-speed 2G barcode reader. It's designed for high-speed operation. Currently is running at 3,500 parts per minute. It's rated for up to 4,000, but I didn't quite achieve that here.
So what are you waiting for? Come join us this year for our OMRON 2026 Roadshow happening near you. Please contact your local sales engineer to find out more information, and we're looking forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.